Greasy kitchen cabinets. Here's how to stop it for good. Grease doesn't just look bad, it damages the finish. Every time you cook, grease floats into the air, then it lands on your cabinets, and it hardens into a nightmare to clean. First, always use your range hood. It pulls grease away before it sticks. Second, use a splatter screen. It blocks grease droplets instantly. Third, add a protective layer. Wax or polish makes grease slide off. If water beads, grease won't soak in. The tops collect the most grease. Line them with paper or shelf liner. Replace instead of scrubbing. Wipe cabinets once a week. Dish soap breaks grease instantly. Small cleaning beats heavy scrubbing. Cabinets near the stove need extra care. Clean these monthly. Remove buildup before it hardens. Cover pans when possible. High heat creates more grease vapor. Deeper pans reduce splatter. Ventilation matters. Fresh air moves grease away. Wood cabinets absorb grease faster. Keep the finish protected. Sealed surfaces clean easier. Quick wipe after cooking prevents buildup. Takes less than a minute. The difference is huge. Clean cabinets brighten the kitchen. Remember, vent, block, wipe, that's the grease-proof system. Your cabinets stay shiny longer and cleaning becomes effortless. Simple habits, big results. Start today. While it's easy, follow for more smart home tips.